Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. In this tutorial, I'll be exploring uh, three classes in SQL, which is top, distinct, and order by. These are the some important classes when we are performing queries, when we are retrieving the data from the tables. These keywords are important. So let's understand each keyword. First, when we talk about top, top is used to uh, get the top rows from the table. Suppose we are querying a table. You are retrieving all the data from the tables, but on from the table you want only top five records or top two records, top three records. You can use this top keyword. Suppose in my practice DB database, I have employees table. I'm querying the employees table. Set star from employee EMP1. Now we are able to see all the employees from the employees table. From this employees table, I want only the top five. For that, I have to use top five. Suppose we set specific columns. Suppose employee name and date and salary. So we are able to see employee, your hire date and your salary. From this result, I want only the top five records. For that, we have to give top and the number of records we want. We want top five. If we want top 10, we can give top 10. Or we can give top 5, top 2, top 3, whatever we need. So execute it. Now we are able to see only the five records, top five records. Now I want to return the top five records based on their salary. Based on their salary. For that, we have to use sort the results in descending order. I'll explain what is this order by. By I'm giving salary descending order. Execute it. So it returns the top five records based on their salary. So this thing is duplicated. You can use top five records. These are top five records based on their salary. You can use anything, any columns, not only these columns. You can use top five in employee number, salary, and their MGR from EMP. Top two. In the top two records. So this is about top class. In college with the keyword, you can use when we want to get only specific rows, top five records, top 10 records, based on the order, based on the sorting, based on the specific columns. You can use this top keyword. So this is about top. Coming to distinct, distinct is used to return distinct values. Distinct values or unique values. If you have duplicates, return a new distinct keyword returns only one time. Top is used to return open records. So let's copy the table empty. Let's query some means finding job. We are able to see the employee name and your job by align salesman. There are some duplicates in the result set. When we use distinct, removes all the duplicates. Returns only the unique values. Suppose you can use like this also. Select distinct, use without distinct, select job from employee, returns all the jobs. Does not remove duplicates. Mostly salesman is repeating one, two, three, four, 5 times. So use distinct unit and only unique records. This is what distinct is doing. Returns only the unique values. You can also use combination of top and distinct. Select top 5, distinct, name from TM. Now to view distinct. Also, returning the top 5 implies distinct employees, no duplicates. So we can use like this as a combination. Going to order by is to sort the result set, sort the data, the table, result set. Suppose I'm querying the data. I'm querying all the data from the employees table. Now I'm getting all the data, but there is no specific order. But I want to get the employee details based on specific order. Suppose I want to get the employees based on their salary. For that, the syntax would be we have to give order by, and the column name we want to sorting based on salary, and the ascending or descending order. For ascending order, we have to specify ASC. Descending order, we have to specify DSC. ESC. When we if you want to sort ascending order, we can choose AS. Now see the employees records are written based on their salary. Now this James salary is less than less, which is 950. So he's at the top. Now King's salary is 5,000, which is highest. Now is it the down. When we can also avoid using yes. We can use only order by salary if we don't specify the keyword. It sorts default by ascending order. You want to sort the results in ascending order, you don't need to specify the keyword. If I want to sort the results in descending order, we have to specify the keyword ESC. Now see, the result is sorted based on the salary. Now King is the top because his salary is the highest salary. Now James is at the bottom because his salary is lowest, which is 950. This is about order by clears, which is used to sort the data. And we can also use combination of um, top, use this order by with the top distinct. Suppose I want top five employees names from EMP salary. I want the top five employees names from the employees table order by salary descending order. I want the top five employees whose salary is highest. Also use salary. How to be in first and salary. We are able to see the top five top five employees based on their salary. These five employees have highest salary. That's why only five records are returned. But we are able to see King is repeated two times. Scott is repeated two times. But I don't want the duplicates. I want only the distinct values. I want distinct employees of five employees based on their salary. So see, these are the top five employees with highest salary in the employees database. So this is about order by clause, which is used to sort the result set. So that's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so with analytics. That's all. I'll share uh, this file in the description. And thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.